There is something you all need to understand about discipline in life and in the market. You can't say you want to be a disciplined trader by just words. You can't say you want to follow your rules and abide by everything by just saying those words. You have to do things that you commit to. You have to do something that really means discipline. Outside the charts, it could be running, it could be anything at all. And I'll preach to you guys about this because I know the importance of this and I know how well it impacted me in my trading and in myself as a person. Guys, I can't overemphasize this thing. I will preach this to you because this is all you need. This is all you need to keep your mind mentally prepared for the market. This is all you need to, be ahead of the curve. This is what it means to be the 1% of traders that are successful.
This is my newsletter, the discipline letter, right? That's the name of the newsletter, the discipline letter. The link is going to be dropped down in the description box. You can subscribe to the newsletter. Here, I will share my thoughts. I will share everything I know about becoming a better trader, becoming a better person, and yeah, walking you guys through the whole growth system, right? These emails are going to be sent to you guys at least twice every week. So just do well to subscribe to the newsletter. So let's get back to it.
Monday, first trade, I just entered pound Aussie. You can see here, pound Aussie trade already first, and this is on the trading view. Yeah, we're just continuing the long. Last week we had the long from here to here, so price has broken above this high and we want to ride it up again to this region. So this is the first trade of the week, Monday. I will update you guys about this whole thing. Yeah, this is the pound Aussie trade, guys. You can see pound Aussie. I left it a 1 point. I left it to 1 to 2.33, and it's still soaring up. You can see here in the chart my Darwinex. Yes, I entered here and I left around here. My ticket was smashed, and we made about $1,112 point. So guys, this is the first first trade of the week, and yeah. Okay, I thought we'd just talk about the psychology of having wins, right? When you start having 1, 2, 3 wins, 4 wins at a row, and you've not experienced a loss. Yeah, I guess that's a different type of psychology. Firstly, because these are wins already, they are not losses. Losses will keep you on your feet. Losses will keep making you think and okay, you need to do more stuff like that, or make you sad. But how do wins affect you? Wins affect you actually if you let the wins control you. Because I've had like 4 wins in a row, and I feel like if I speak the market listens, but that is a wrong mindset, right? I should feel indifferent from the wins I have, and I should feel indifferent from the losses I have, because right now I'll still repeat everything I've ever repeated. Place a trade, forget about the trade, and move on my daily life. If it goes my direction, fine. If it doesn't go my direction, fine. But I would never want to be in a situation where I have to, or a trade have to move my direction for me to be normal, or sane, you understand? Yeah, wins can actually affect you. Like, wins can actually affect you because, you feel like you talk and the market listens. Do you know, sometimes I laugh about this whole thing because I know that I've been here before, and the following month I felt like I was just having 10 losses at a row. So yeah, listen to the market. First loss, you can see first loss. So we've been smacked out from this position. We lost about 0.5% on this whole trade. But this is actually number one. I feel like it's actually this is just a win. Like, this is the reason why I wanted to be going for a 1 to 2, because of things like this, so that I can leave the market fast and bank. I didn't have access to the market. I didn't get access to the market early enough. If not, my entry could have been around this region and just few pips above here, right? And possibly you can see that this was even a minimum of 1 to 3, so we could have left somewhere around here, this high minimum, right? And ended the whole trade. But it is what it is. Hopefully next time we could avoid this kind of loss. So yeah, this is the whole thing. I'll walk you guys through maybe my next positions or what I am expecting in the chat. Right now, I will just have to document or yeah, I have to document all these trades. Yeah, see you guys. So my trading week basically ended on Wednesday. Thursday and Friday were the days where I had back testing sessions and also journaling session, right? To, improve as a trader. So I went back to all my trades, saw what I did wrong and what I did right, and also had my whole strategy on a back testing session. So there was no trades. Last trading week for a month of February, and we're gonna make a recap about this whole trading month and everything I went through this month, my plan and everything, both in the charts and outside the charts. So we're gonna be doing that, right? One thing you have to understand in the charts is this whole market thing is I feel like it's not all about the money, it's not all about the peeps you're catching, it's just about we following our plan and we staying disciplined no matter the circumstance, right? Were you disciplined in the month of February? Were you disciplined in the month of January? What were the shortcomings in the month of February? Mind you, it's not even about having losses or wins in a certain month. It's about staying disciplined, because that's what's going to keep you in the long term, like in the long run. Like having a discipline or building your discipline is going to build the bag and the money you're looking for. So, were we disciplined in the month of February? That's the question. So I'll show you guys my trades and I will show you guys exactly my whole plan and the goals I had for the month of February and whether I hit those goals or not. I'll just have a quick review and an honest review with you guys.
Quick review on our monthly goals. So basically, on our monthly goals, we both have the self improvement part and the trading part. As I said, you have to build discipline as a person before building discipline right in the chat. That's just the truth. You have to build discipline as a person before building discipline in the chat. So I set monthly goals, and kind of my monthly goals are kind of plenty. I don't even know why they are plenty, but there are plenty because I have a lot in my life. And yeah, I am being, transparent to you guys. There were goals that I didn't achieve. So it's not, when you have monthly goals, it's not like a must. It's not like a must you attain or you achieve everything. We are human beings, we are no robots. There's sometimes when, we don't tend to, achieve some goals, and that is fine. But I'm not giving room for failure. I'm not giving room to be comfortable for failure, right? We should always seek to be better. So I had one look, let's talk about the failed goals. Limiting our social media distractions. Guys, I okay, look at my screen time here, 13 hours, right? 13 hours, that was my screen time. And if you notice, I spend more of my time, right, in productivity apps like creativity and productivity. That's CapCut, YouTube, and YouTube Studio. So because I tried, you know, taking YouTube seriously this time, because I have to keep myself in track, right? And taking YouTube seriously, it's not an easy task. So I'm trying to be consistent in every aspect of my life, right? So I spend time on CapCut trying to edit my videos, right? I spend time on YouTube trying to research, and I said spend time on YouTube trying to comment and see what I need to do better, right? And stuff like that. So that made up my time. But still, that is not a reason for why I should spend that so much time. That's much the reason why I should spend that much time on the chat. So I have to find a way to limit that for this coming month. Secondly, journaling daily, guy. Journal daily, I failed. I think I journaled only twice. It's kind of private, so you guys you guys can't see my daily journal. It's just my secret. It's I am my self secret, so you cannot see it. I wanted to show you guys my daily journal, but I just journaled for only twice. This. this month. Yeah, this month. Because guys, like it's kind of really, I don't know. I with my laptop I sit down and start typing. I don't know. It's supposed to be the last night doing it before I sleep. But I don't know what just happens. I always sleep off. Seeing a place I have to what, improve journaling daily, because when you journal daily and you go back and read out your journal, like let's say for a month, you could see the loops and you could just see how your whole life played out in a whole what month and in the whole year in general. So reading two books, I only read one book, which was the Wealth Money Can't Buy. That's a good book. You guys can try that book out. I think it's by Robin Sharma. This book here, you guys can try it out. So I finished the book. Hopefully, I didn't read another one. Next one I'm gonna read is a business book. So I didn't achieve that goal. Secondly, is meditating at least 5 minutes. I'm guilty for this. I don't meditate 5 minutes. I only meditated for like I only had meditation for like I think 4 times in the month of February. So I have to work on myself on this aspect. So I ran 120 km for February. That was a good one. I finished the book Money Can't Buy, the Wealth Money Can't Buy. I studied for 4 hours for my farm tech exam. This was a success, and I recorded 3 bad videos to upload on. All the videos you guys have been seeing, they are really hard work. Like they take a lot. So you have to film, you have to edit, and you have to put out. It's not really easy. So I had to do all this, and I'm happy I did at least. Going to gym 5 times, non-negotiable. Like I go to the gym, I can't stay without going to the gym. I'm really addicted. So this is for my life. So I had 4 goals that I didn't achieve, right? Hopefully next month we're gonna be better. So let's talk about the chart, right? My 2025 journal. I started trading February. I didn't trade during January. So we had 4 losses, 4 wins and 1 loss. Right. Let's go through the trade one after the other. So we have Euro USD long, and this was the before trade for Euro USD. I didn't have the before screenshot, but this was the trade, right, for Euro USD. A nice buy trade, right? If you see here, these are the kind of trades I should be banking on this time. Okay, fine. Second trade was a buy again. I've just been taking buys this month. This month I just took buy, following the trend, buy again, and I take out 1 to 2 risks to reward from the market, right? Like at 1 to 2, I've taken out a lot of my position and leave the rest alone, right? The next one is the next one was Euro USD. Okay, this was Euro USD. It was the last buy I took, and this is how it panned out to be. Yeah, I hit my take profits. This was the reason why I was talking about having a mindset when you're winning so much, because I don't usually take trades in a week. I only max trade I can take in a week is 3. Right, max. That's me even trading, like seeing opportunities. But usually, I usually take 1 trade every week, like 1 trade every week. So imagine having 4 wins. It's a lot for me. So the last one was pound Aussie. This pound Aussie trade was a good one. Yeah, it was also a good one. This was how my entry was, and this is my tag. This is how it played out. This trade kept on buying for like 500 pips. I think 500 pips. So to check it here, let's check pound Aussie here. Pound Aussie bought for. Let's use my measure. This is where we left the chart bar. Kept buying for up to 300 pips, 342 pips. So guys, the market kept going up and up. So the last loss I had was this was supposed to be a winner, but still yet it didn't go as planned because of a bad entry. Like I entered late. This was the entry. I had this position. It went up to my take, almost my take profit. You can see price just respected that high and sank down, and this was how it hit my SL. So this was how it hit my SL. So I took out. So let's calculate this. If we're to use let's just say some. So I had a total RRR of 9.82 RRR, right? So I can already have a lot of buffer for the next month. So that is that, and that is the reflection of my month. Next month we're going to try to be better, at least read more books, meditate more, journal more, right? And also, what again didn't I do well? What again didn't I do well? Limit my social media distractions. I'm going to do that. I am trying to do that. Like, I'm going to spend less time on that, even though I know it's hard, but I'll try. So yeah.
So guys, we've made it to the end of this week's vlog. If you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and if not like, make sure you like this video. And I'll see you guys next week Sunday. Peace.